today we will build this set, and it's small Lego. Did you remember in my last video I built this food truck? It was small Lego, and it has a series. This is one of the sets, and there's only 4 sets. I built one, and these are the 2 more. I'll build them in another video, but today we will build this one. So let's open it. It's shiny here. And there is only 1 bag and 2 bags. Like here is 1 and here is 2. Like this one, it only has 1 and 2. So let's go to building. See, in bag 1 you will build this, and bag 2 you will finish it. So let's open the bags. We did a lot of progress. See, we have lights here and not a lot of details, but we will build details now. So let's keep building. Finished bag 1, and I opened bag 2, and there is a lot of cool pieces like these, and a teddy bear. And so let's start building. Now I do a lot of progress. So we are in the final steps, so I'm building in this, and we built the first part of the roof, and it's cool, right? It's like I'm finished, but it's not. finished the set. It's so cool, and it has balloons and a bear at top of a cake, and you can remove the roof easily. No, this one, no. This one, you can remove it easily. And see the inside, and the inside is pretty cool. We have the thing you make cakes of, and wings in here, and cakes, and opening doors. It's cool. And balloons that have head pieces. I think this is a toy shop and a cake shop, so it's cool because there's a cake top of a bear, teddy bear, and see, it's like the same size, but this one is taller, and this one is more detailed because it have smooth in the roof, but this one does not have. So goodbye everybody, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye.